Hello friends, welcome to C Programming Tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about unions in C. So what is a union means? Union is similar to structure. In our previous class we learned about structure. What is a structure? A structure is a group of different data items. Similarly, the union also is a collection of different data items. But there is a small difference between structure and union in terms of memory allocation. We see that. A union is a user defined type similar to structure. That means union is similar to structure. So structure allocates enough memory to store all their members. So whereas union can only hold one memory value at a time. So what it means? So for example, here this is the student. Now I define this student as a structure. Struct. By using struct keyword, I define this student as a structure. What are the fields in this student? S number, S name, average. So this is the memory allocation. So this is the S number, 2 bytes, and char S name of 20, that means 20 bytes. So this is the S name, and average float, so 4 bytes. So total memory allocation is 26 bytes. Okay, if you declare the same student as a union, now what is the difference? Whereas union can only hold one memory value at a time, whereas unions can only hold one memory value at a time. How many memory values here? 1, 2, 3. But the union can hold only one memory value. In these three, 20 bytes is the highest. So the size of the union is only 20 bytes. I hope you all are understand what is the difference between structure and union. Structure allocates enough memory to store all their members. Here 3 members. The structure can allocate memory for all the 3 members. But coming to union can only hold one memory value at a time. Only one memory value. What is the highest memory value here? 20 bytes. Now, so in these 20 bytes only, you can store all the elements. Okay. The union is a construct that allows memory to be shared by different types of data. Now, so these 20 bytes only shared with S number, S name, and average. Okay. So how we can declare a union? It is also very similar to structure. Instead of struct keyword, you are going to use union keyword. So remaining everything is same. So union, here we are going to give the union name. So these are the different data items. The only difference between structure and union is memory allocation. Now we see the example. Here we are taking two structures. So one is defined with the help of struct keyword. Another one is defined with the help of union. Now in this struct there is two fields. One is S number, another one is S name. Integer 2 bytes and it is array, so 20 bytes. 2 into 20, so 22. In some compilers the size of the integer is 4, then it is 24. Okay, now coming to union. So this is the union. So only highest one is 20. So only this 20 bytes you are going to use for both S number, S name. S number and S name. Student S1, that means S1 is the object. Now in this, one is student number, another one is student name. 65 and S name is Ravi. Similarly S2. So this is the union. So only one memory location. 66 RAM. So both shares the memory. What is the size of this S1? 2 bytes, 20 bytes, 22 bytes. If integer is 4 bytes, then it is 24. And here the union S2. So highest memory is 20 bytes. So it can allocate 20 bytes of memory to S2. Now, so printf size of structure equals to size of S1. What's the size of S1? 22. It prints 22 as the output. Next, number equals to S1 dot S number. What is the S1 dot S number? 65. So it prints 65 as a output. So printf name equals to S1 dot S name. Now it prints Ravi as a output. Okay. Now I change like this. Size of S2. S2. Now what is the output? Output is the size of S2 is 20. Now, so printf number equals to S2 dot S number. S2 dot S number. What is the S2 dot S number here? 66. It prints 66 as the output. Okay. So printf name equals to percentage S S2 dot S name. Now it prints B as a output. B as a output. Does not print Ramu. Why? So these two shares the common memory, and 66 is the ASCII value of B. So it prints capital B as a output. I hope you all are understand what is the difference between structure and union. So both are the same. The only difference is memory allocation. Structure can allocate memory to all the members in the structure, but union allocates a common memory to all the members in that structure. So now we see the execution of union and what is the difference between structure and union. We execute this program here. So this is the structure and this is the union. We are going to find the size of structure S1, the size of union S2, and we print the content in the structure and the content in the union. So GCC program 48.c. So all these are the warnings, no problem. /a.out. Okay, here the size of the structure is 24, the student number is 65, student name Varada. Size of union, it is 20. Why? It allocates a common memory to all the members in that structure. Here the student number equals 66, student name it prints B. Why? So these two shares the common memory. When we retrieve the value, the 66 ASCII value, so it equivalents to B. Okay.